Chapter 1: Input and Output Devices. Hello children, we have learned so many things about a computer. Now let's learn about input and output devices. A computer receives data or instructions through the input devices. The entered data is processed or changed into meaningful information by CPU, Central Processing Unit. The result of processing is known as output. The output is displayed through the output devices. Storage devices are used to store the results or the output so that they can be used later. All computers have four basic building blocks for processing. They are input devices, Central Processing Unit, CPU, output devices, storage devices. Difference between input and output devices. Input device: the part of a computer which we use to input the data is known as the input device. Examples: keyboard, mouse, scanner, digital camera, camcorder, gamepad, joystick. Output device: the part of the computer which we used to show the output is known as output device. Examples: monitor, printer, speakers. Input devices: an input device is used to feed data into the computer system. The data is then sent to the Central Processing Unit for processing. Few input devices are keyboard. A keyboard which looks like a typewriter is the most common input device of a computer system. Keyboards have the combination of alphabetical, numeric, and some other keys. We can use these keys for volume control, play and pause videos, etc. Keyboard helps to capture the data and send it to CPU. Mouse. A mouse is another commonly used input device which is used to scroll the cursor through the monitor screen. It has two buttons, the left and right clicking buttons, and a wheel in the center for scrolling. Mouse has a rubber covered ball at the bottom, or it may have optical sensor. As the mouse slides on the surface, the ball rolls, resulting in movement of the cursor on the screen. Do you know the mouse cursor is also called a pointer, owing to its resemblance in usage to a pointing stick. Scanner. Scanner captures the information, an image, text document, a drawing, or a photograph, and store them in graphic format in computer. With the help of a scanner, the printed documents are converted into images. They are black and white as well as colored scanners. It works the same way as a photocopier. Light pen. A light pen is an input device that utilizes a light-sensitive detector to select objects on a display screen. It is similar to a mouse, except that with a light pen you can move the pointer and select objects on the display screen by directly pointing to the objects with the pen. Microphone. A microphone is used to input sound into a computer. It can be used to record different sounds. For example, you can narrate a story and get it recorded on the computer using a microphone. Central Processing Unit CPU. Central Processing Unit is called the brain of a computer. It is responsible for processing the data given by the user. The process of changing the entered data into a meaningful information is known as processing. It is always kept inside a box called the CPU box. All the parts of the computer are connected to the CPU box through wires. CPU is made up of three main parts. They are Arithmetic Logic Unit ALU, Control Unit CU, and Memory Unit MU. Fact: CU controls all the components of a computer. Arithmetic Logic Unit ALU. All the calculations in a computer are done by Arithmetic Logic Unit. It performs arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It also performs logical operations like finding the greater number or smaller number, etc. Control Unit CU. Control Unit works like a supervisor or a manager and checks that all the computer operations are taking place correctly. It controls the working of all the parts of a computer. Memory Unit MU. CPU stores all the data and instructions that need to be processed in the memory unit. The memory unit then passes this data and instructions to the ALU or